If you've been training hard but your muscles still aren't growing, you're probably making at least one of these 10 mistakes. These are the exact mistakes that stop 90% of lifters from building muscle, even when they're consistent. Fix these today, and you'll see more progress in the next 6 to 8 weeks than in the last 6 months. Skipping progressive overload. Muscle growth only happens when your muscles are challenged. If you lift the same weight week after week, your body adapts and growth stalls. The fix is gradually increase weight, reps, or sets. Track your workouts and push yourself a little harder each week. This is called progressive overload, and it's non-negotiable for gains. Poor form and technique. Lifting heavy isn't enough if your form is off. Bad form not only reduces gains, but also increases your risk of injury. Focus on controlled movements and full range of motion. Even if it means lowering the weight, proper technique will give you better results in the long run. Neglecting nutrition. Gains are made in the kitchen, not just the gym. Without proper nutrition, your muscles won't grow. Make sure you're eating enough protein, around 1 gram per pound of body weight, and enough calories to fuel growth. Don't forget healthy carbs and fats for energy and recovery. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is when your muscles actually repair and grow. If you're skimping on sleep, your gains will suffer. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Recovery isn't optional, it's part of training. Overtraining. More isn't always better. Training too much without enough rest can burn out your muscles and stall growth. Your muscles grow during rest, not just in the gym. Stick to a smart training plan with rest days, and don't ignore the signals your body gives you. Ignoring compound movements. Isolation exercises are great, but they can't replace compound lifts. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses hit multiple muscles at once and create massive growth potential. If your routine is all curls and machines, you're leaving gains on the table. Not tracking progress. If you're just going through the motions, you won't know what works. Keep a workout journal or use an app to track weights, reps, and progress. This helps you stay consistent and ensures you're always improving. Relying too much on supplements. Supplements can help, but they aren't magic. Protein shakes, pre-workouts, or creatine won't replace real food and consistent training. Focus on the basics first and use supplements only to fill gaps in your nutrition. Inconsistent training. Consistency is the real key to muscle growth. One killer workout won't make you jacked. Stick to a plan and show up to the gym regularly. Gains happen over months, not days. Neglecting mind-muscle connection. Your muscles respond to tension. Just moving weights isn't enough. Focus on the mind-muscle connection. Feel the muscle contract with each rep. This improves activation and leads to better growth. Fix these, and you'll be on your way to building stronger, bigger muscles faster. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which mistake you're guilty of so I can help you fix it. See you in the next video.